Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a table into Microsoft Word. Let's say I have a bunch of text, okay? A bunch of text. And then after that text, I want to insert a table. So what I do is I just come here, click on insert, and you're going to see this option that says table. Come click on this, and you can either draw the table yourself, or you can just choose from these boxes here. Let's say I want a table that is 2 by 2, or 3 by 3, or you could also choose, let's say, 2 by 5. So I have 2 columns and 5 rows. So you select that option, and then I write name and email. So I have a table of names and emails of maybe clients or students. That's one way to do it. Another way to put down the table is, let's say I want to insert a table, but these options are not enough. This goes only to 2 by, well, by 8, only eight rows. So what you want to do is click on draw table. Actually, we have to click on insert table. Just click on insert table, and then you can easily choose the number of rows and columns. Let's say I only want 3 columns, but I need 20 rows. Here, I just click on this and press OK. Now I have a big table that you can change around with. You can play around with it. You can change the themes here and change the style according to what you like. I'll just pick this one. It's really that simple, guys. If this video helped you, you could leave a like, comment, and of course, if you want, you can subscribe.